My name is Vasilis Beglopoulos. I'm a lecturer in neuroscience at the University of Central Lancashire, and I'm the lead of the Dementia and Neurodegeneration Research Group in the Faculty of Clinical and Biomedical Sciences. The area of my research is Alzheimer's disease, and in particular the decline of memory in two experimental models of the disease, one being a widely used model and the other generated by myself. I have previously analyzed the brain activity while memories are retrieved in the first of these models at a very young age, which is the equivalent of the stage of the disease before symptoms appear. My work suggests that brain imaging can be much more sensitive in detecting Alzheimer's-related abnormalities if it is performed in the context of a memory task. If this work is translated for use with humans, it has the potential to assist diagnosis at an early stage when treatment is likely to be more effective. My current research interests are focused first on understanding the underlying cellular and molecular mechanisms, second on similar studies using my other experimental model, and finally on trying to establish collaborations to explore the clinical potential of my work.